Hello friends, you are watching my YouTube channel shomirjana@geography. This is 26th episode of my geography quiz series. Before beginning the quiz, please subscribe my channel, like and share also. Today I am going to beginning the 26th episode. First question: which part of the Earth's atmosphere is suitable for radio communication? And the right answer is ionosphere. Question number 2: which is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere? And the right answer is exosphere. Third question: study of the rock is known as dash. Answer is petrology. Petrology is the study of rock. Question number 4: granite and basalt are which types of rocks? Igneous rock. Granite is the intrusive rock and basalt is the extrusive rock. Question number 5: the deposition of organic and non-organic matter over a while produces which type of rocks? And the right answer is sedimentary rock. Question number 6: igneous and sedimentary rocks change due to pressure and change in temperature under the Earth's surface. This change led to the formation of which rocks? Which types of rock? And the answer is metamorphic rock. Originate due to metamorphosed. Question number 7: the angular distance measured in degrees along the equator east or west of the prime meridian is called dash. And the answer is longitude. The angular distance, question number 8, the angular distance of a point of the Earth's surface measured in degrees from the center of the Earth is called dash. It is called the longitude. Question number 9: the line that passes through the 180 degree east or west meridian of longitude, which falls on the opposite side of the Greenwich meridian, is called dash. And the answer is international date line. Question number 10: the time of 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich near London is called dash. And the right answer is Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. The 82 degree and 30 minutes half longitude that passes through Allahabad and is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the GMT is called dash. It is called the Indian Standard Time or IST, 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. Question number 12: the two days during the year when the day and night are almost equal throughout the world because the sun shines vertically over the equator and is called dash. Now the answer is equinox. Equinox means equal night and equal days. Question number 13. You are watching 26th episode of my geography series. Question number 13. The imaginary line that passes through the earth midway between the North Pole and South Pole is called dash, and the answer is the equator, which divides Earth into two equal parts. Question number 14. The imaginary line drawn out on the global map from pole to pole and perpendicular to the equator is called dash, and the answer is the meridian. The question number 15. The position of the earth in its orbit when it is at the greatest distance from the sun is called dash, and the answer is aphelion, 15 crore 20 lakh kilometer distance. Question number 16. The position of the earth in its orbit when it is at the shortest distance from the sun is called dash. It is called the perihelion, 14 crore 70 lakh kilometer distance. Question number 17. The position of the orbit of the moon when it is at its greatest distance from the earth is called dash. The answer is apogee, 4,05,400 kilometer distance from earth and moon. The question number 18. The position of the orbit of the moon when it is at its shortest distance from the earth is called dash. It is also perigee, 3,63,229 kilometer is the distance from earth to moon during this time. Question number 19. The luminous celestial bodies consisting of a solid nucleus surrounded by a nebulous coma which move around the sun are called dash. It is comets. Hale-Bopp, Halley, etc. is the example. Question number 20. Which is the cause of the deflection of the planetary wind and tides? The answer is rotation of the earth around its axis. Question number 21. Why is the earth elliptical in its size? Answer is centrifugal force of rotation. You are watching 26th episode. Another question. Question number 22. What is the equatorial radius of the earth? Answer is approximately 6,400 kilometer, average 6,371 kilometer. What is the difference between the equatorial diameter and the polar diameter? It is 43 kilometer. 12,757 kilometer minus 12,714 kilometer equal to 43 kilometer. Question number 24. What is the approximate circumference of the earth? Answer is 40,000 kilometer. Eratosthenes first. Question number 25. Which parallel of latitude divides India into almost two equal parts? And the answer is Tropic of Cancer. Question number 26, last question. Which science deals with the nature and origin of the universe? And the answer is cosmology. Cosmology is the right answer. This is the 26th episode. That's why 26 questions are there. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again for watching my YouTube channel.